Have you ever wondered what could be lurking just beyond the edges of our solar system? What if I told you there might be a force, an unseen, ancient ghost that holds the fate of Earth itself in its icy grip? And what if that force was far closer and far more dangerous than we ever imagined? Today on Curiosity Echo, we dive deep into a cosmic enigma that has puzzled scientists for generations: the mysterious Oort Cloud and the terrifying secrets it may be hiding. But before we plunge into the darkness, I have a quick favor. If you love unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos and exploring the invisible threads that connect space and geopolitics, make sure you subscribe to Curiosity Echo, hit that like button, and tap the notification bell. It helps us keep bringing you the secrets they don't want you to know. Now, imagine a place so distant that light itself takes a year to reach it. A place where frozen comets sleep in silence, waiting for a whisper, a nudge, to awaken and fall toward us. But here's the real question: is the Oort Cloud just a graveyard of cosmic debris, or something far more volatile? Stick around, because what scientists are beginning to discover could rewrite everything we thought we knew about Earth's past and its future. Let's start at the beginning. In 1950, Dutch astronomer Jan Oort proposed the existence of a vast spherical shell of icy objects surrounding our solar system. He theorized that long-period comets, those mysterious wanderers that sometimes appear without warning, originated from this distant reservoir. But there was a problem. No one had ever seen the Oort Cloud. Even today, it remains one of the greatest unseen structures in the cosmos. And that leads to a chilling question. If we can't see it, how do we know it's even there? And if it is there, what else could be hiding within its frozen depths? Picture this: trillions of icy bodies, each one a ticking time bomb. Any slight gravitational disturbance, maybe a passing star, maybe something else, could send a swarm of comets hurtling toward the inner solar system. Sound far-fetched? Think again. 66 million years ago, a massive impact event wiped out the dinosaurs and devastated Earth's ecosystems. The Chicxulub impactor, they say, could have originated from the Oort Cloud, a deadly traveler set into motion by a cosmic tremor. But what caused that tremor? Was it a rogue star passing nearby? Or perhaps something even stranger? Something still out there, moving through the darkness? And here's where it gets really interesting. Some scientists speculate about the existence of a nemesis star, a faint, distant companion to our sun, that could periodically disturb the Oort Cloud, unleashing waves of cometary destruction on Earth. Could this mysterious Death Star explain mass extinction cycles in Earth's history? Before you answer, tell me in the comments, do you think there's a hidden twin to our sun out there waiting to be discovered? Let's keep going, because it only gets wilder. Recent surveys have detected anomalies in the orbits of distant solar system objects, like Sedna, that hint at powerful gravitational forces at work. Forces that don't fit the neat, predictable model of our known planets. Could this be evidence of a Planet 9? Or perhaps something even bigger lurking in the shadows? If so, it wouldn't just explain these odd orbits. It would mean the architecture of our solar system is far stranger and more unstable than we ever imagined. And here's a chilling thought. If a massive object were moving through the outer Oort Cloud, it could destabilize countless comets, creating a deadly rain of impacts that could reshape Earth's destiny. In fact, some researchers have correlated comet impact events with periods of intense geological activity: earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, even shifts in Earth's magnetic field. Coincidence, mind, or a cosmic conspiracy? Pause for a second and really think about it. What if our greatest threats aren't from within our planet, but from deep space beyond our reach, beyond our control? Now, let's zoom out even further. The Oort Cloud doesn't just belong to us. It's a common feature in many star systems across the galaxy. And that raises a fascinating and terrifying geopolitical question. Could an advanced civilization weaponize its own comet cloud? Imagine harnessing the gravitational keys to unleash waves of comets toward a rival star system. Planetary warfare on an unimaginable scale. Pure science fiction? Maybe? But remember, What was science fiction yesterday often becomes reality tomorrow. If you're finding this as mind-blowing as I am, don't forget, subscribe to Curiosity Echo, smash that like button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the unknown. Now, let's come back to Earth, literally. Today, astronomers are racing to detect objects in the outer solar system. Surveys like the Vera Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, are about to revolutionize our understanding of the deep sky. Soon we might finally spot direct evidence of the Oort Cloud, or something even more unexpected. But there's a catch. If we do detect a massive new object, or a shift in comet trajectories, how much time would we really have to react? Days? Weeks? Centuries? Would governments even tell us the truth? Or would they hide it to avoid mass panic? Think about it. How would society react if we learned a comet swarm was inbound, with no way to stop it? And this isn't just science fiction. History shows civilizations can collapse from much smaller threats. In a strange twist, the Oort Cloud forces us to confront not only cosmic mysteries, but human nature itself. Will we respond with innovation and unity? Or chaos and division? And what about the geopolitics of space? Nations are already positioning themselves to defend Earth from potential asteroid threats. Projects like NASA's DART mission have proven we can alter an asteroid's course, at least slightly. But when it comes to a wave of incoming comets from the distant reaches of the Oort Cloud, we might not have enough time or enough technology. This leads us to a stunning conclusion. Our survival might depend not just on our ingenuity, but on our ability to detect threats decades or centuries in advance. And to do that, we must invest in deep space observation, international cooperation, and maybe even the colonization of other worlds. Because if the Oort Cloud holds death in its icy heart, Earth may need more than one home. So let me ask you again, is the Oort Cloud just a distant frozen relic? Or is it the ticking clock of our planetary destiny? Drop your theories in the comments. I can't wait to read what you think. And remember, subscribe to Curiosity Echo, like this video, and hit the bell if you believe humanity's greatest adventure still lies ahead, among the stars. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies, because sometimes what you can't see can change everything.